I want to create a matching pair quiz. I've gone into Gemini and I've asked it which physics concepts would be good to create a matching pair quiz. But if you're looking for something specific, you're doing a specific lesson in a topic, then that's fine, you can choose that. The suggestions that it's giving me are like motion and particles, but I'm just going to go with the first one that's suggested. Now I've asked it to list 8 motion terms suitable for high school students or GCSE students and their corresponding definitions. And it's giving me 8 of those. However, the definitions are a little long and I don't think they'd fit on the card. So I've then asked it, give the definitions in one sentence for each term, because then I know that they'll fit. And yes, Gemini has done that. It's given me 8 terms and their corresponding definitions. So what I would do now is either open, if you have sticky notes or if you have a notepad or something that you can copy and paste these into, it will really help you speed up the process of adding the text onto the cards. So I've just pressed Control-C and then I've opened my notepad and I've put these here. We're going to head over to Interacty and create the matching pair quiz. Now you should get a page that looks like this. You're going to press Create and create a project from scratch. And then I'm going to click on all blocks, and this will bring up a list of all the elements that you can include in your quiz. I'm going to scroll down to the interactive part and we want to do a matchup. So let's click on that one here. This one has 8 cards and that's the number of definitions that we have. So we're going to click on this one here. Now for some reason it's given us more than 8. If I click on edit, hopefully I can delete some of these here. Yeah, we just need 8 pairs, not 10 or 12. And now would be a good time to bring up your post-it notes, the things that you copied from Gemini, and it shouldn't take too long. Right, so let's do the first one then. First one is speed. I can remember that, that's fine, that's easy to put in here. So we're going to put speed, press save, go into here and then put the corresponding text in and press save. And then you're just going to do that for the rest of them. I'll just show you, let's do another one. So this one's for velocity. And you can change the colours if you want. And I'll just quickly do the rest of them. And this one is acceleration. Whoops, put the wrong one in there. Displacement. And now that we have our cards, we click next. Always just make sure that whatever the AI language that you're using, like whether it be ChatGPT or Gemini, that the answers are correct, because there are times when I've done it and definitions are wrong, like the calculations are wrong, so just double check that. I'm just going to leave that at congratulations, and you can choose the image if you want to. I'm just going to leave that there and we're going to press save. Then what you want to do is to press publish, and let's see what it looks like. We're going to view the project. So what you can do is you can copy this link and you can put it into your lesson plan, or you can give it to your students and they can do that on their own. We're just going to press view project now. Make that a little bigger. And then all you need to do is just to select It's so easy. All you have to do is drag the box down to which you think is the correct definition. Of course, now I've spotted a spelling mistake, but so let's just, this isn't going to be correct. I'm doing this completely at random, but I just want to show you how this works. And there should be a next button or a... So I think what this means is none of them are right. So I had a go at that. I wasn't thinking about where anything would go, and I actually managed to get all of them wrong, it would seem. So I think it will only tell you if they're right. So I'll just quickly do that now. I'm going to drag these all back up and start again. Okay, so I'm now going to put the last one in. Fiction, thank goodness for that. Okay, so that's how you do it. You can add images if you like to make it look a bit more interesting.